Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today I'm giving you all a full install, closure weight install that is on my beautiful client. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking about which steps I'm taking in this video because you guys can see it on the screen. But I am going to be talking about how I got the color and whatnot. So the first thing that I did was I made sure that I section the closure off from the rest of the hair. Once I sectioned the closure off, I sectioned the sides of the wig off, and then that left me with the back part. After the back part, I split the back part into like maybe 3 or 4 different sections, and I did one section at a time. I did the very first section in the back, then I moved to the second section. But as the back processed, again, we're working with a brown, like we want to get brown hair. We don't need blonde hair all around. So this hair is going to process very fast. So by the time I got to the second back section, the first back section was already done. So I went ahead and I washed it out and I moved to the third section. The second section finished. Moved to the fourth section. The third section finished, and you guys kind of get what I'm saying. As I moved to one section, the section prior to what I used or what I was doing, it already had processed. Hope that makes sense. Tried to record it for you guys, but it made this video lag for some kind of reason. I'm not sure. It literally bugs my whole soul when it does that when I'm trying to edit. But yeah, as of right now, you guys can see that I am clipping away the pieces on the closure that we do not need. This install, it wasn't hard, but the wig was a little small, so we did have to kind of like force it, make it work. But at the end of the video, you guys can see that we did make it work. I do use boho. I use Nairobi foam. I probably won't be putting what products I use on the actual video because you guys can see and it's pretty clear. If you have any other questions, please let me know down below and I'll be sure to answer your question. If you guys are enjoying these full installation videos or just me doing my installs, let me know down below so I can keep giving them to you. I've been recording more, I've been uploading more. Definitely subscribe, get it back more consistent, and I'm just like, I'm so excited. Also, if you love this color, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, I want you guys to enjoy this install. So that's going to be all from me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.